Welcome to Natchitoches, Louisiana, Louisiana's oldest city. We're staying at the Fairfield Inn Marriott. Welcome to room 103. Walk in the door. To the right, we have the bathroom, sink, hello, and normal amenities. Got a shower, bathtub, hair dryer, normal stuff. A microwave, ice bucket, coffee maker, and a refrigerator. You walk around the corner, we have a hook, and then we have a small closet. And now we pan around to the room. This is a double queen. This one is actually on the ground floor, hence 103. A couple of plugs next to the beds. Have a drawer with the phone. And then on this side, we have a phone-like mirror. And once again, hi. We have a little desk area, a couple of drawers, TV, and then here's the desk, Meat Pie Festival. And that's actually where we had lunch today. And then the view outside is just of field and forest area. Room 103 at the Fairfield by Marriott in Natchitoches, Louisiana. Fairfield also has a fitness center, laundry room, and a pool. Please like and subscribe for more videos.